Hi Arundhati, how are you?
I am doing great.
Wow, so nice to see you.
Oh,
Actually, I was watching your videos and I got inspired. I was really curious to talk with you, so I requested to have a conversation with you. So, yeah, how do you feel now? You have created a lot of videos on YouTube and you are quite popular. So, how do you feel?
I feel that I'm getting confident day by day about myself.
Okay, nice. So tell me a little bit about yourself.
Okay, so as you already know, my name is Arundhati Roktima. I'm 12 years old, and only in a few months I'm about to be 13. And I study in class 7th. I live in the state of Chhattisgarh. It's in the central part of India. And my hobbies are singing and dancing. I love doing these both things.
Wow, really nice. So can you tell me when did you started your YouTube channel and what was the purpose of it?
Okay, so I think I started it way back in August 2020. So I started it because I was just testing that can I upload any videos or not. So initially it was just a singing channel. I used to upload some singing videos. I used to sing some songs and then upload it on YouTube. And I did this for maybe 5 or 6 months. Then I stopped it, and for more than half of the year of 2021 it was just like I was just inactive on that channel. And then again in August of 2021 I started doing these conversational videos because I just discovered those platforms and the English conversational platforms, and then I thought that, oh, I should maybe try them. So I tried them and I realized that I also get recordings of those videos, means of the conversation. So I thought that, okay, let's just upload it on YouTube. Because it can help other people because they can also learn some English and some speaking skills. So they can it's their benefit as well. And I thought that, okay, so I'm inactive for like a very long while, so let's come back with some different content. So that's why I started the YouTube channel.
Okay, wow, lovely. So I have one query. I think your English is already good. So why you have started with Clapingo or the apps like that?
Hmm. So at first I joined it because I wanted to improve some of my flaws that that I used to make initially. So for that only I joined, and I also joined for this one more reason, that was confidence, to improve my confidence in speaking skills, because I'm like a very nervous person. I get nervous very easily, so that's why I wanted to improve my confidence in public speaking or speaking on any topic with someone else. So for that only I joined.
Okay, okay. So right now you have uploaded the videos with Clappingo tutors only, I think,
Yeah.
not with the discussions with other people. Okay. So yeah, it's really good, and like a 12-year-old girl can upload these types of videos and confidently speak with the tutors. So do you feel that there is a age gap, or if you are talking with other people, do you find any difficulty while talking with them, or
Uh,
it's good, okay for you? You go with the flow.
I think it's okay for me, but sometimes it gets a little difficult as I am a child, so I don't have many views and ideas in my mind. So that's why sometimes it gets a little difficult to speak on any particular topic. For example, like something related to politics, maybe because I don't know anything about it. So that's why sometimes it gets a little difficult. But usually it's fine.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, would you like to give some tips for English speaking for the people or the viewers of my channel?
Yeah, sure. So if you want to learn English, so I would say that it's not an overnight journey because it takes a lot of while to learn English. So we have to be a little patient when we are going through this process. And if we are trying to learn English, so I'd say that quality is must. not quantity. We should not just like learn, for example, 5 or 10 idioms or any phrase in one day only, but we should go for like 2 or 3 of them and learn them by heart and try to use them in our day-to-day life. And we should go only for the quality work, not for quantity work. For example, we are just reading a whole page of the newspaper. I would not suggest that. I would say that read a very small paragraphs or only a little bit, so that you can analyze what you have read, what your all the new words you're getting, and learn new things that you're getting from English newspapers or English articles or anywhere. So yeah, these are my tips maybe.
Okay. Wow, sounds good. Okay. So, how do you right now, like with your friends, do you chat in English? I mean, how do you deal with them? I mean, in terms of English speaking. So, do you practice with them as well?
No, because whenever I am talking with my friends, so I just talk in Hindi. But whenever, for example, I'm talking over WhatsApp, for example, if I have to ask notes for some subject, so my friends and we just talk in English because it's more comfortable to type in
Type
English.
in English, yes.
Yeah. But usually, whenever we are talking, we talk in Hindi only.
Okay, okay. Fine, great. So you belong to Chhattisgarh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you like traveling? How is the, I mean, what are the places to visit in Chhattisgarh?
Actually, I haven't visited many places in Chhattisgarh, but I remember that I visited a waterfall. I think it was somewhere I think in the northern part of Chhattisgarh. I don't remember exactly. So I think that waterfalls and these natural things, all these things are like very nice and good in Chhattisgarh. So I think these are the places that you can visit if you are coming to Chhattisgarh. And there are also many temples and all those religious places. So a person can visit there as well.
Okay, okay. So do you like watching movies?
Yeah, I sometimes watch movies, but most of the time I don't have enough time for watching a whole 2 to 3 hours long movie.
Okay. So as a student, what is your schedule generally? How do you
Okay,
plan your day?
so from till 1 p.m. I have my online classes because they start from 7:30 and go up to 1 p.m. So till for almost 6 hours I have to attend my online classes, and then I have a few of my tuitions that I have to attend from 1 to 1:30, and then I have my lunch, and then I do my homework, and then again from 4 to 5 I have my tuition. So then from 6 to 7, and that means 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 time period, I have some snacks and do a little bit of my homework. And from 6 to 7, again, I have my one of my classes. And then it's all rest time. It's all time pass time with my parents.
Okay, so when do you take the time out for this English speaking thing? Is it in your time pass? You manage that time? Uh,
Yeah, means I try to have them at night so that it's a little comfortable because at night I'm all free, so that's why I try to manage them at night.
okay, okay, wow. So do you like dancing and singing? So you have learned this professionally or you
Yeah,
do by
means
yourself?
I learned dancing Kathak for almost 3 years before this COVID-19 pandemic, but because of COVID, I'm not doing it now. And I'm learning singing for the last 3 years almost. Yeah, in online platform.
Okay, so is it classical Sangeet? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, so yeah, it I heard about it like it requires riyas and morning
yeah,
thing something. So
yeah.
so do you do that or you don't get the time?
I actually don't get enough time, but on Sunday and Saturdays, I try to take out time for all these practices. And you know that now our school has changed this thing that on Saturdays as well we'll have classes because earlier it was not there, but
Practice
because of
play.
online, so
Uh-huh.
that's why they started on Saturdays as well.
Okay, so do you like school? I mean, going to school or offline school? Now you are enjoying online school.
I love offline school very much.
So you are missing the school time.
Yeah, it's a little difficult on online platform because you don't get to meet your teachers and friends, so that's why I don't like online.
Okay, so and how your these exams are conducted now? These are online or offline?
Yeah, earlier from August to December in 2021, we had our offline classes for a few months, and in that time we had offline tests, and before that it was online only. And now also, I think we are about to have some tests in the month of February. So our teachers are telling that we'll have offline tests, but I think they're just joking and they're just telling this to scare us so that we study hard because offline exams are a little difficult in comparison to online. So maybe they're just fooling us by telling that we are gonna have offline classes, offline tests.
Tests. Okay, so offline tests are difficult as compared to online, you are saying. Why is
Yeah,
it so?
yeah, because in offline test, you have to be in that particular examination room in front of an invigilator in that whole situation, which is a little bit intimidating because it's all a silent room and you are giving your test in front of in front of an invigilator. So that's why it's a little difficult. And in online, it's just that you're sitting in front of a laptop or mobile and you're just giving your test on your own. There's means there is a teacher in front of you, but then also it's not that much effective, means you're just in your house, so that's why it's a little bit easier, means you can say the atmosphere is different.
Okay, so the only difference is of atmosphere, and I think in the offline exams you have to return the answers thoroughly, whereas in online you just have
Yeah,
to tick the options. That is
yeah,
also.
in online the test means structure and the pattern of the question paper has changed a lot.
Okay, yeah, okay. So, yeah, I mean, you are just a student. Have you defined something like you want to become some goal in your mind? You have to become some IAS officer or something like that. You might have some other goals as well. I'm just giving the example of IAS officer. Let
Yeah,
me know if you have wished something like that.
Yeah, so apart from becoming an IAS officer, I have this dream of being able to make some websites or apps so that I can earn a little money before I become an IAS officer. Because my mother always says that earning money is very difficult, so I just want to prove it to her that I can earn money even before becoming an IAS officer.
Okay, wow. Okay, so you mean to say you want to earn money and you want to show your mother that it's not difficult to earn money nowadays with the help of some skills.
Yeah, yeah, with the help of digital marketing and all this stuff.
Okay, okay. So yeah, even I am working into the digital marketing field, and I can say you that it's not difficult to earn the money online, but yeah, you should have some skills like as you said, like developing the websites, or if you have the skills like content marketing or video making as well, that you are actually using it now. So I think when you become 18 or something like that, you will be master in the video editing completely.
Maybe. So can you give me some tips like about this digital marketing?
Sure, why not? Okay, so the digital marketing is all about the online marketing. Basically, it is for the business growing online. Suppose, you are selling something and you want to promote those products through the online media. For example, we are selling something onto the Amazon. Similar way, we can create our own e-commerce store or the WordPress store, and suppose you are selling some product that will have some keyword. For example, you are selling the toothbrushes, or let's say you are selling a car. Then people might be searching for the cars online or XYZ car online, and for that search query, if your site is appearing on the onto the top of the Google, then there are chances that people might visit your website, and there are the chances of purchasing. Okay, so all these things like keywords and these websites, the way we optimize our websites so that people should come onto our website, that is comes under this search engine optimization term, that is SEO. Similarly, there is a social media marketing like Facebook, Instagram, where you can promote the products with various ways, with the posts, videos, and there are ads as well. Like as you were seeing the ads on your TV or radio, the same way now you can see the ads, view the ads on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel as
Yeah.
well. Yeah, so all these things comes under this digital marketing, even your video editing, making. So there
Hmm.
are different types of fields like or the positions available when you want to come into the digital marketing. Like digital marketing expert is there, SEO expert is there, then WordPress developer or web developer, then content writer, video maker, graphics designer. So there are multiple choices you can have if you have an interest in particular field.
It
So
sounds a little bit difficult and complicated.
yeah, first time it will be difficult for you, but suppose you have some interest in it, then you can Google search it, you can watch the videos related to it, and you can earn that skill, you can learn that skill, and you can start generating money with the, if you
Hmm.
master that skill.
Yeah.
uh, yeah, in my knowledge, there is one freelancer. Started the freelancing with the digital marketing at the age of 17, and now she is at 2021. Sorry, she is of 21-year old, but she is earning maybe 2 lakhs plus rupees per month with the help of freelancing only, with the digital
Oh.
marketing skills only. Yes. So yeah, if you have that skills and if you have that passion, then you can easily earn money. Yes, but efforts are needed. There
Yeah.
nothing is easy.
Mhm.
Yes. So yes, Arundhati, it was really nice talking with you, and I wish you all the best for future. I hope that your YouTube channel also grow, and similarly you grow higher in your career in terms of your education, as well as whatever you have the dreams, you can achieve that. And similarly enjoy the life as well. Don't be
Yeah.
so dedicated towards study only. I mean, you are kid now, so enjoy your childish things and everything, playing with the friends and must
Yeah.
everything.
But now because of COVID, we cannot meet our friends.
Yeah, that's really hurtful. Yeah, and I mean, now the children are actually not enjoying their freedom and
Yeah.
playing outside thing. Yeah.
We're just
Hopefully the
locked in our
situation.
house.
Yeah. We just have to play online with our friends as well. I mean, if you want
Yeah.
to talk, you just have to make a call with them and have to chit chat. That's it.
Hmm.
Hopefully the situation will get better in the next year, and
Yeah.
we will be back to the normal life again.
Hmm.
Okay, all the best.
Thank
and
you.
and thank you for having on my channel. Okay, great day. Bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.